Hello guys, this is again Vibhu Shukla. Today we will discuss the elevated, that is the most popular topic in STAAD V8i, that is the elevated in circular water tank. This is the most important topic, so we'll discuss today. INTZ tank modeling and designing. Unit will be meter and kilonewton. Go to the snap node oblique beam, click on edit, change the origin in y value at 20, let the x and z value be 0 0, and change the right value up to 8 and the y value up to 6, and spacing will be 1 meter. Then click on OK. So we'll take structure from here and then up to 25 and then click on 7. Then we have to click on this, right click, insert node, number of nodes will be 2, click on add endpoints, press OK. 2 nodes has been created on this member. I will create a middle node on this, right click, insert node, midpoint, click OK. Switch off the grids. Now select this whole structure, go to the geometry, circular repeat, then go axis of rotation will be y, x value will be 8, z value will be 0, total angle degree will be 20, number of steps will be 1, and only link step. Then click on OK. This is all beam, you can see. So we have to convert into plate. Select all the beams and go to the option fill floor grids with plates. Now they all been converted into plates, you can see. Now change the input unit to millimeter. Now then go to the journal. Thickness I will provide as 200 mm. Assign to view. Now change the input unit again. Go to the kilo meter and here will be kilonewton. Now go to the general, load and definitions. Before going to load, apply a support here, fixed type of support. And then go to the load and definition. Load case 1. Go to the member load. Trapezoidal. -20 here will be 0. -40 and minus. Can change the name as delete the loads. You have to select the plate load in that trapezoidal. Select the hydrostatic loads. Now the plate is selected. Now you can provide the value. Earlier we was selecting diff member load plates. Plate load hydrostatic, select plate. You can see the water pressure loads has been applied on different plates. Now we will go to the circular repeat. Select the whole structure. Direction of rotation will be Y, X value will be 8, Z value will be 0, and total degrees will be 340, and number of steps will be 17. Press a Ctrl+Z. Select the plate cursor, circular repeat, 340 value, and here will be 17. Link step, nothing to do. click on OK. Now you see the loading. Now simply go to the analysis print, add and close, analyze and run analysis. There are the errors. Elastic modulus not entered, section properties not entered. So what we're gonna do is delete the beams. Now we go analyze. Now you will see the errors are 0 and warning 0. Now we will top view, right click on new view, go to the top view, click on generate surface meshing. Change these divisions to 1. Check that all the divisions should be 1. Click on OK. Yes. Now we will go to the general, support, declare support as 1. As these node, and these places only. Now go to the property, apply the thickness 0.3, assign to go to the load case, load case 2, plate load, pressure on full plate will be -5 along GY. The plate load has been applied. go to the geometry, edit snap node oblique beam option, change the origin y and the y value as 0, and change the right x value up to 2 and the y value up to 20. And click on OK. Go to the front view, select the first node from the origin, select this and click on insert node, and endpoints. 2 nodes are created. Select these two, then go to the general, define rectangle, assign to selected beam. To select this column and to the geometry, circular weight, direction will be y, x value will be 8, z value will be 0, and number of degrees will be 360, and number of steps will be 6. Step and open base, and then press OK. Go to the 3D view, define this. We will also define this beam, you can see this was the 3D view of this, which you have seen in this example. Now go to the general, load case, now go to the commands, loading, come here to load list, select these two load cases, click OK. Now go to the load case detail, load case detail, loading time will be 1. This will be load case 3. Click on this load case 3, click on add, then go to the repeat load, select the load case 2, with a factor value of 1.4. Click on add, then close. Go to the design, change the input unit centimeter and this will be kilogram. Go to the concrete. We are designing this particular tank from American code, and for concrete design American code is ACI 3182011. So select the parameters, the CFI main, maximum main, and the track parameter. Click on add. FY main will be 4000. Click on add, maximum main will be 25. Track parameter we are taking as 2. Assign to view all these parameters. Click on analyze, run analysis. 0 0 or not. Now go to the commands, design column, go to the front view, now we will go to the commands, design beam, design column, design slab and takeoff. Design beam will be the designing has been done. Now go to the analyze. 0 error, 0 warning. Now go to the view output file, concrete design. These are the design results. This is the way INTZ circular water tank is designed. Elevated INTZ water tank you can design STAAD Pro like this only. I have discussed rectangular water tank by FEM, circular water tank. So this is also one of the most important water tank which has been used or nowadays also used. Goes post processing. Check the reactions, beams and go to the graphs. Clean, go to the maximum absolute. The top 2.11 and the minimum value is 0.12. cut the A line. If I take this to this and take global movement, and you can see the movement, and if I change this value MLX and value here, maximum absolute line will be here. So this is the way INTZ elevated INTZ water tank is designed in STAAD Pro V8i. So if you have any queries regarding this particular tutorial or this particular session, you can post your queries as comments in my channel and share with your friends who are civil engineer and learning this particular software online for free of cost. So I'm here to discuss all the topics in STAAD Pro in my upcoming video tutorials. You don't need to go anywhere, you can just follow my channel, share with your friends, and you can learn all the topics in STAAD Pro V8i. And I have discussed rectangular water tank or FEM water tank, circular water tank in my previous tutorials. You can see more different types of water tank in my upcoming video tutorials also. So but in today particular session we have discussed INTZ water tank. This is also most important water tank. So subscribe my channel and share as much as you can, and I will come up with more tutorials and more new features of STAAD Pro V8i. Hope you have learned a lot, and thank you very much. Stay blessed and stay raw.